Hi, it's Kate. In this video, I'll show you how to use the COVID-19 test kit at home.
Gently insert the entire absorbent tip of the swab into your nostril, usually 1/2 to 3/4 of an inch.
And before we start, please like this video, subscribe, share, and comment down below. Let me know what you think about this video. When do you need to test? According to CDC, test at the right time, the right type, and follow directions carefully as recommended in a packet. If not, results may not be accurate. When do you need to get tested? If you have symptoms, test immediately. Are you exposed to COVID-19 with no symptoms? Wait 5 full days after exposure, then test yourself. Early testing can lead to inaccurate results. If you are in certain high-risk settings, you may need to test as part of a screening testing program. Consider also testing before contact with someone at high risk for severe COVID-19, especially if you are in an area with a medium or high COVID-19 community level. For the types of tests, viral tests are the ones that look for current infection with SARS-CoV-2, the virus that causes COVID-19. The two main types of viral tests, number one, nucleic acid amplification tests, or NATs, or the NAATS, and another one is the antigen tests. The NAATS, such as PCR-based tests, are done in a lab. This is typically the most reliable tests, but it's not advisable if you tested positive in the last 90 days, since the detected viral generic material may linger in your body for up to 90 days. For the antigen tests, the results are less reliable, especially for people without symptoms. For best results, a negative antigen test should be followed by another test after 48 hours. Negative results from this test kit should be treated a preliminary result, and serial testing is needed. For further information about COVID-19, please visit CDC.gov.
This is how I test myself for COVID-19. First, I gotta get my test kit from a drugstore. This kit shouldn't be used for anyone under 2 years of age, and if you have a nosebleed, or you have traumatic injuries to your nose. So, if you feel like you've been exposed to COVID-19, then test yourself. Here's how I do it. This kit has 2 tests. Open the package and prepare the materials. Read the instructions from the kit. 2 swabs and 2 pre-filled tubes. It has 2 COVID test cards, then 2 empty tubes and 2 sealed solutions. So I got 2 tests in 1 kit. So let's get started. Open your swab. Remove the COVID-19 test card from the pouch. When you're ready, open the COVID-19 test card since you can only use it an hour after opening. Look carefully. You'll see 2 edges on the empty tube. Squeeze the sealed solution completely into the empty tube, and the liquid level should be above the bottom line. Then get your swab. Do not touch the tip. Save your swab package for later use. Gently insert the entire absorbent tip of the swab into your nostril, usually 1/2 to 3/4 of an inch. Firmly and slowly brush against insides of nostrils in a circular motion against the nasal wall at least 5 times. Use the same swab for both nostrils. Slowly brush the left nostril 5 times, then the right nostrils. Put swab back in the package, then get the tube, tap on the table, twist the orange cap to open the tube. Insert the swab tip, stir 15 times.
I'm waiting, old man.
Squeeze the sides of the tube. Screw back the orange cap. Twist open the small white cap. Now add 3 drops of the sample on the circular window.
When am I gonna get this stupid COVID vaccine anyway? Yeah, how does your vaccine work? Well, think of the vaccine as a large ethnic bouncer, and COVID as the drunk entitled white kid yelling, "Do you know who my father is?"
Wait 15 minutes to see the result. Now for the result, if you see a C line and a T line, then you're positive for COVID-19. If you only see a C line, you're negative.
Vaccines have been around for hundreds of years. They helped eliminate smallpox from the face of the earth, and they're well on the way to doing the same with polio. Those were once devastating diseases, you understand, and now, thanks to vaccines, you don't even have to worry about them. What do you say, Brian? Should we show them how it works?
Well, I have a date with that chick that works at the bowling alley. What the hell? Where are we?
We're inside the fat man's body.
Fine, I'll text her, I'll be late. There's no reception.
Oh yes, there's too much plaque in his arteries, you'll never get a signal. Anyway, vaccines protect us from illnesses by activating our immune response without the danger of actual infection, thereby training the body to fight off the real thing. Some of the COVID vaccines work by exposing your immune system to proteins which resemble the spike protein of the virus, but cannot infect you. The vaccine stimulates your immune system to make antibodies against the virus, mimicking what happens when you get COVID, except that you don't get sick with the vaccine. The mRNA vaccine